Let my heart rest, it's been hurting, carrying feelings I've kept for so long. I try to speak the truth inside me, because I finally see where I went wrong. I look at the world and all its stories, yet my smile feels lonely in the quiet night. I know I can never be someone else, even when my own heart doesn't feel right. Let my heart settle in the silence, where all my emotions hide away. I found what used to bring me comfort, but my smile doesn't shine like yesterday. Let my heart settle in the silence, where all my emotions hide away. I found what used to bring me comfort, but my smile doesn't shine like yesterday. Let my heart rest, it's been trembling, holding memories I can't erase. I tried to speak what's breaking